Today we are discuss about trigonometry, introduction of trigonometry. You learn about trigonometry in also class 10th. Now let us begin something which is new things of trigonometry and repeated class 10th also. Now in 10th class you learn also trigonometry functions, various value of sine, cos, tan and cot and cosec sec. And now you also learn trigonometry function identities. There are sin square x cos square equal to 1, 1 plus tan square plus sec square, 1 plus cot x square equal to cosec square. And you learn also some formulas these. And now let us begin something which are new things like this measurement of angle. So what is the measurement of an angle? Suppose you have a ray. You have a ray OA. And what is the ray? Ray is a basically line segment upon in a one side. If one ray moves in positive direction, it means its move in clockwise. So give is positive angles. Suppose OA is a ray and A is the initial position of ray. Now we move ray OA move toward, so B is a final position of ray. So this genre of ray is called angle. So this measurement of genre is called measurement of a angle, where OA is a initial position of angle and OB is a final position of angle. So angle OAB, let us denote it by theta, equal to theta. And angle are two types, positive angle and negative. If we move initial line in anti-clockwise, then this line makes a positive angle and negative angles. Angles are two types, positive angles and negative angles. Negative angles, if the moves initial line in clockwise, then this line gives negative angles. Now measurement of angles in two terms, degree and radian. Degree is a British system and sexagesimal system. And if you take a circle and divide into 360 parts, if a circle and divide into 360 equal parts, so every part will be 1 degree. Every part will be 1 degree. It is denoted by 1 degree. And again, if 1 degree is divided into smallest 60 equal parts, so each parts is called 1 minutes. It means 1 minutes equal to, it means 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Minutes is denoted by 1 dash. And 1 minutes divide into 60 equal parts. So each part is called 1 second. So 1 minutes equal to 60 second. Now next terms of measurement of angle is radian. It is also called circular system, which is a new terms, that is a radian. You learn also 360 degree equal to 2 pi. What is a 2 pi? What is a 2 pi? This is a radian measurement. This is a radian measurement, and pi equal to 180 degree, because 360 upon 2 equal to 1 degree.